Do you sit at a desk all day? Well, this exercise is for you. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Sean Floch from Floch Fitness. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. This exercise here is inspired by Bill Hartman from iFast, but I've adapted this exercise to focus on the aging athlete and those who are working at the desk all day. So if you're sitting at the desk all day, head forward, shoulders rounded, back rounded, hips in a nasty position, this exercise is going to help reset your position. And in fact, it's actually going to help your shoulder mobility as well by allowing more expansion in between the shoulder blades, so the shoulder blade has somewhere to sit on nicely. So you're going to follow along with me. If you have a band, nice light band, you can use that for this. If you don't, no big deal. And then for those of you who also are having issues with your front rack position of the barbell, this exercise is great for you as well. So you're going to take your band, place it around your wrists. You're gonna have your palms facing toward you with your elbows in the end of your desk. And again, this is something you can do while in the office periodically throughout the day. You do about 4 or 5 breaths throughout the day. If you are doing this before your workout or after your workout, 2 sets of 5 breaths if you're doing this properly. So you're gonna take your elbows, place it on the end of your desk. Your feet are gonna be flat on the floor. You're gonna tuck your hips so that your tailbone is tucked. From here, we're just going to push ourselves away from the desk in the angle that the elbows are pointed. So I'm pushing myself away. Tendency for most of us who are much more rigid and toned athletes is we try to get range of motion by either allowing our shoulders to anteriorly tilt, which isn't what we want. Obviously elevating the shoulder blades, not what we want. And then the other thing that tends to happen is we get too much rounding and flexion through the spine. We don't want that at all. To get true expansion, this is going to take breath to work. So I'm going to give myself a gentle little reach. That's it. This is as much as I get. My butt is tucked. Now from here, I'm going to press out against the band. I'm going to take a breath silently in through my nose. And then I'll repeat for 4 breaths. You'll notice 2 things here. I'm continuing to push myself away as I breathe in and out on this exercise. And then the other thing is that when I breathe in, I'm not gonna really try to force air in. It's gonna feel tight, it's gonna feel uncomfortable, especially in the beginning of this exercise. But the reason why we don't wanna force air in is 2 big reasons. One, if we try to force air in, it's usually gonna kind of recruit some of these upper extremity muscles, the neck, the scalenes. That's the things that are gonna create more tension in the system. The other thing that it's gonna do is it's going to cause me to get in an extended position anyway, and it's going to kind of take me out of what I want. So we're getting expansion in between the shoulder blades. We're getting a nice little reach to activate the long head of the tricep and anterior serratus, and then we're going to feel lots of abs while keeping those hips tucked, obviously not being in an overextended position. Give this a shot 3 or 4 times throughout the day as you're sitting at your desk. You can just keep this band right over here as you're doing your work. And then, periodically throughout the day, hit that exercise. You're gonna feel so much better from it, a lot less tension through your neck and shoulders. And for those of you who are using this as a prep for a workout, you're gonna feel your front rack position is much better, and your push-up positions are gonna be much better because your shoulder blades are gonna be sitting in a much better position to allow for more extension and internal rotation. Guys, if you like this video or you learned something, make sure you hit that thumbs up button down below. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our latest content. I'm Sean Floch from Floch Fitness. Breathe right, stay happy, have an awesome day. See ya.